Yanmar Bragais sa mga player ng Davao, too small sabay kain. Pinatikim talaga ni Bragais ang defending champion na pelarong pambansa ng tunay na bakbakan. Grabing pisikal ang pinadanas ng CM Farm sa mga bata. Masahing masahe, harap at likod. Sayang lang dahil hindi nakapaglaro si Chog Moral at Andre Ugadan. Siguradong dagdag excitement sa laban. Pero talagang lumaban ng Davao Boys, nakipagpalitan din ng muka. Lalo na tong si Edvil Mundas, pinakita niyang NCAA ready na talaga siya. Nagkagulo naman ng crowd sa windmill dunk nitong si Poy Poy Actub. Hetong at panoorin natin mga broadebong highlights ng laban.
Wow! High leaping. Ito, Robert Bolick as playing in their import para sa CM Farm. And at the CM Farm rosters, ito, Jenmar Bragais, solid talaga. Jenmar Bragais, Robert Bolick, JC and JV Marcelino, twins, headed by their head coach, Coach Jess Evangelio. No? As you can see in their t-shirt tagline, history in the making.
And jersey number 19, Maki Pellegrino. Head coach, Jess Evangelio. Jersey number 1, the man of Fido, Poy Poy Actub. Jersey number 23, June Munson.
On the CN Farm side naman, ito, the young star, Raisus Bahinting, Matt Cayetano, of course, Edvil Mundas, and syempre, no, nasa loob po tayo ng napaka-jump pack na venue here in Rotary. Here comes Mundas, rushing on the fast break, Mundas, and there you go. First 2 points basket by the off-campus residences. Is still 0. Here comes Raisus Bahinting kontra Jenmar Bragais. Getting under pressure. But a foul is called on the wing side. Hesitates. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Mundas. Pull up J. Edvil Mundas is attacking the traffic. Fast break opportunity. Payosing wide open. Yes, sir.
James Payosing.
And James Payosing making a statement here. Being, the man under pressure by Ayan. What a pass by Jenmar Bragais. I like that. Bolick to Cabahog on the corner. No go. Bragais, big rebound. Fake! And makes that baby. Grabe. A good steal once again by John Court Cabahog.
Jancor Cabahog.
Speeding his way. Take it out. Good ball movement so far. Cabahog muscling his way. And he scores.
Jancor Cabahog.
Get out of the way. Now fast break opportunity. Bragais. Shake and bake. Sidestep. And there you go. Ito, jump pack talaga tayo dito, sa loob ng Rotary Gym. Kaya nagpapasalamat tayo kay Congressman Oyo Uy. That's a good score. This is that shot. Here comes Jenmar. Here comes Cabahog. Passing his way. Get out of the way. By John Court Cabahog. Tino, here comes Quahao. Buen Salida. Checks in. Grabe, itong teamwork ng CM Farm. To beat the buzzer. Here comes Suelo Lingo-Lingo. The UA King.
Lingo.
Ito, let's take a look at the play of the game. Hatid sa atin ng Papa G. Napakasarap. Dim sum. Masarap na masarap yung dim sum jam. Siomai. It's Actub on the corner for 3. But did not hit the range and he scored.
Poy Actub.
And Poy Poy Actub. Talagang nakita natin ito ng potential na playing in the MPBL. And CM Farm dominates so far in the first quarter ball of action. Magbabalik po tayo ang score. As you can see, ito, a give and go option. Gideo Quahao with a really the core of the CM Farm.